For these questions, you're going to create a new number that's between certain numbers by adding a decimal. So let's look at the examples here. Okay, so it says create a new number that's between 100 and 999 by adding a decimal to the number. And then you're going to write the new number. Okay, so right now we have a number that's 17,751. It is not between 100 and 999. So we're going to create a new number by adding a decimal, but we have to decide where to add it. If I add the decimal here, that number is not going to be between 100 and 999 anymore. It's still going to be 1,775 and 1/10. So we can't add it there. What if we did it here? It would be 177 and 51 hundredths. So that's where we need to put it because 177 is between 100 and 999. So our new number here is going to be 177 and 51 hundredths. All right, let's look at this one. Where would we put our decimal so that our new number is between 100 and 999? If we put it here, our new number would be 451 and 6/10. So then we have to see is 451 in between, and it is, so that's where our decimal would go for this number. All right, let's try the next one. 37,811. Where could we put our decimal to make a number between 100 and 999? So if we put it right here, we have 378 and 11 hundredths, and that would be between 100 and 999. So our new number would be 378 and 11 hundredths. Okay, so that's how you do that one. There's another version of the question that is create a new number that's between 10 and 99 by adding a decimal to the number. So this time we want our final answer to be between 10 and 99. So if I put it here, I'm going to have 613 and 1/10. So 613 is not between 10 and 99, so I can't put it there. So I'm going to try to put it here. And then I would have 61 and 31 hundredths, and that would be between 10 and 99. So my number would be 61 and 31 hundredths. So let's try the second one, 114. If I put it there, I'm going to end up with 11 and 4/10. Is that between 10 and 99? Yes. So my answer would be 11 and 4/10. All right, let's skip to this one, 5,866. If I put it there, I'm going to have 586, and that's not between 10 and 99. So let me try it here. If I put it there, I would have 58 and 66 hundredths. So 58 is between 10 and 99, so that's where I need to keep it. 58 and 66 hundredths. All right, so you try some on your own, and if you still have some questions, you can watch this video again. Good luck!